Hello everyone. Today I will talk about another two JS topics. The first of them is ForIn to go through props of an object, and the other topic is ForOf to go through arrays. When I don't know the items, the index, I will just use the ForOf and ForIn for this example. I created just a simple exercise, so let's read together. I have here a family spending system. I have to create an object who will have two props. Both must be an array. The first array will be revenues and the second prop will be the outgoings. Both are array, okay. Now I have to create a function who will calculate the total of revenues and outgoings, showing for the family if the balance are positive or a negative on. After this function must return the final balance. So let's think in the logic together. I have to create an object. I will be named like a const. The const will be the family data. The family data will be an object. Fine. I will have the revenues here in lowercase. Revenues. I have array. I will have the outgoings property will be an array too. And I will have a third property, just for example, names. The name of the family members will be an array too, but an array of strings. Some random names like Joanna. The other name can be Sue. And the other name can be my name. Guilherme here. Okay, sounds fine. I will have some values on the revenues array, 2k, like that. And 5k dot 45, 10k, and just 1,000, 4k dot 45. I will have the outgoings. I have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 values on outgoings too. I can put 6, like 4k, 10k once again, but now like outgoing, and 245.66, 4k once again, and 2k.99, and some another value just to be different than the revenue value. I will have 6 items like 366.12. Okay, the object is created, so I have to create the function. The function will be a simple function that will be the family extractor, information. This function will receive nothing and will return nothing, just a console.log to display the final balance. Okay. I need to operate some variables, like the third one. The first one is the total of revenues. The second will be the total of outgoings. And the final will be the final balance. I will start these variables, so I will pass 0. Okay, 0 here, 0 here, and 0 here. I am creating and passing the initial value. I will format my file. Okay. Now I have to operate inside my object. Then I will be creating now our ForIn, the loop of my object, for some name of the iterator, const family prop, because I'm going through the properties of the object. Each of the properties will be the family prop in object family data. Okay, open close the most external ForIn. If the family prop will be strict equal to revenues, I will have to do something. In other case, else if the family prop be strict equal to outgoings property, I have to do something. I have the structure of the code here. Inside the ForIn, I will be operating the ForOf. I will have here for. I create a let here, calling family revenue item, because pass it inside the if of family data. The object can be accessed like an array. I will pass here the family prop, because I know that will be the value revenues. If I have this, the total of revenues will be updated by the increment family revenue item. The same logic what I used here, I can use inside my else, but replacing the variable. Now I have the family outgoings item. This will be replaced in that. Now, not the total of revenues, but the total of outgoings. Okay, I have the most external, what will a ForIn to go through the object, and the ForOf will be going through in revenues and the outgoings array. It's because I used two ForOf. Okay, after this operation, I will have the total. Whoops, the final balance will be the total of revenues less total of outgoings. To display this data, I will create a custom message, passing a template string here. I will create a separator like this, and I will pass the /n. I will copy this value because I will use the total of the revenues of this family is dollar, but dollar now to create a template string. I will pass here the total of revenues. Okay, I will put here my breaking line and duplicate this. The revenues are above. Now is the outgoings, and I will pass not the total of revenues, but the total of outgoings. And finally, the balance is. Now I can put the final balance here, copy the line, Just to be a little bit more organized, I will put this breaking line one more time. Okay, the function is created, but I will have to call colon and finish it. Let's test. I will execute by the runner. Okay, the value is perfect, but two things are missed. I have here the dollar indicator, and I have to float because it's money, okay? Just two decimal cases. So to fix it can be an alternative. To fix it too. Now the value is formatted and the response is totally okay. I have here my total of revenues, my total of outgoings. The value is smaller than the revenues and I have a positive number in the balance. I hope that you really like the video, and if you make some suggestion for me, just check on the comments. I will be reading. And if you like this video, give me a like and share with your friends. Thank you.